What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Um, we will be recapping my trades that I took on Disney and NFLX. So to start off with NFLX, Netflix, um, it had some bad news in the morning. Pre-market, it was downgraded by Wells Fargo as bearish, so it had a gap down. Pre-market, as you can see. So once I saw this, it was around 8 o'clock. I noticed that it was making an uptrend, making higher lows and higher highs. So that's one thing I noticed pre-market. It had a big resistance at 109, whole number. As you can see, it had a huge push up, got rejected by 309 and kept trending up. So I knew this would be a nice entry in the morning. So coming on to my first trade, I took this, I think on the first minute candle, but I got filled in. I got filled in at 309.80. I hesitated too much. My original entry was 309. It went up. I chased it a bit. I got in profit a little. It wasn't what I was looking for, and I got shook out. So I left this trade alone. I took the loss, chased it. It was my bad. And so we moved on from there. Uh Next trade on NFLX, which recovered my money, was at 308 right here at 1002. At 1002, and I got filled at, as you can see over here, 308.01. So um it had a rejection, a VWAP, second rejection, and I saw this as a fake out, like a fake out candle, where people would buy at 308 and have their spot stop here at exactly roughly 50 cents. Exactly 50 cents, I meant. And people and they took out their stops. Whoever pushed it down took out their stops, and it had a big green candle close near the high, so this was bullish. And then I bought on the second big green candle at 308.01 with a limit order. I rode this, got my rejection that I was looking for. Then a continuation of the move. Now, I sold this stock on the first red candle. I got out at like 309.70, which, as you can see, wasn't the best idea. I think I could have done, because you can always do better, right? And what I should have done is, you know, move my stop up to here. Then I could have moved it up after this move. Then here, then here. So I got out of Netflix, recovered my first trade, but it wasn't the best trade management. Now on to Disney. DIS. DIS I took at 148.33. This was a beautiful trade. Beautiful, beautiful trade. 108.33, as you can see. 108.33, and I took it on this exact candle, this big green candle right here. Looking for first a break of the previous resistance, and then a move after. Um, I was risking, yeah, about 30 cents. about 30 cents, and I just wrote it. I just wrote it and wrote it and wrote it, and I sold. I sold at 348, at 948, 149, 948, 149. So yeah, I sold about here. I took my partial. Once I got 2 to 1, and then I let some ride. I moved my stop. I did move my stop over here to 148.60, which was previous resistance. And as you can see, I had the right idea that previous resistance would become support, but stop was too tight. Maybe I could have put it on the bottom of this candle. Maybe put it on support, previous support, instead of previous resistance. That could have saved me. And that was a great trade. So thanks for watching. I know this video was a little bit long. I hope it helped. And if anybody has any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. And thanks for watching.